Varför varnar den nu då?
Ja.
Morning guys, it's Monday morning. All the trucks are firing up. Now it's time for the big HVAC lift. We're heading off to Dalby to load up the 4.8 ton HVAC unit I unloaded a couple of weeks ago. Loaded up on one of our trailers, transport it to the building where it's supposed to be, and then I'll try to lift it on top of the roof there. But no craning without coffee. Oh. Let's go. Monday mornings are pretty busy. We have a lot of trucks going out. Maybe this is the trailer who will assist me today. Yes. I'll have some coffee and I'll see you in Dalby. This is our newest crane truck, the 723. Made for steel works, rebar, steel beams and so on. And here we have the HVAC unit, just where I left it. Alright, I'll use the same lifting technique as when I unloaded it, my trusty X beam lift spreader and running slings to create an 8-point lift on the unit itself. These things are pretty flexy and fragile, and you need to lift them pretty even so they won't twist or bend out of shape. So, yeah. Now we're ready. For this lift I need approximately 5 meters of sling, but I don't have any 5 meters, so we'll use 3 plus a double folded core. Someday I'm gonna regret holding this in my mouth. It will be a horrible experience The one day it snaps close on my lip. But what do you know? Living on the edge. Lite så. Där är bra. Japp. Very good. All right. All loaded up. Alright, let's head off to I don't think I'll tell you its final destination. I don't know if it's classified or not, but yeah. Let's go. So let's set the truck up. Looking good. Ja, håll bort den nu från kran där. Ja.
Så.
Den, ja. Varför varnar den nu då? Nej, ingenting. Nej, precis. Exakt. Ja.
Briljant.
Ja.
Ingenting man kan döda någon eller?
Ja, jag ska göra det. Okay, job done. It was pretty easy. I struggled a little with the I didn't have the rear outrigger fully extended, so the crane limited my my lift chart a little over the rear right leg. So I ended up closing up on 100% on the main boom there, but I was able to save it, and then when we slewed in over the roof, we were back down to like 65. So that was easy. Nowhere near the limit of the crane itself. So yeah, 4.8 ton, maybe 5 ton with chains and lift spreaders and everything. So 5 ton full, almost full basic crane and fly jib. So that was it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on the next lift. I have no idea what that will be, but I guess we'll find out.